doing two things in Newton Academy this time. I'm going to do an ambient sound of war, and also this right here. I'm going to have an extra camera, fidget spinner. We had a Batman fidget spinner several years ago move in this cemetery. That fidget spinner is now with Amy from What the Paranormal, and I got a brand new one. It's a Batman just like the other one was. I want to see if it moves. Okay, so for a few minutes I want to use the ambient sounds of war. Basically it's just something I found on YouTube. There's those rocks again. We found one other time. So what my hope is, like I did at Riverside Cemetery, that is to hopefully it will generate some things. I want this play for just a few minutes, and then we're going to get over to the Ghost Tool app, maybe the Ghost Box too as well. Right now we'll see if that fidget spinner moves. If it does, I'll definitely place it in this video. This is how we set it up last time. It took us about 5 times in 5 different cemeteries for a spirit ever moved that fidget spinner that we had. But go message Amy from What the Paranormal. I believe she still has it, and you'll probably hear this going off on spirits. Are we still at war? So it's been a while since I've been in here. Okay. Hang tight. Okay, so I got the Blue Hand app. I still got the Sounds of War going. I muted the Ghost Tool, so I'll have to definitely keep a close eye on it, so I won't know exactly when it might be changing. Oh good, it's making that little ticking noise. That's good. That does help. Okay, I muted everything. I muted the white noise sound on the Ghost Tool. So what happened basically was, if you haven't seen the video, me and Marnie were here. We just walked away, and within a few moments the fidget spinner had moved. Not a complete turn, but just enough you can tell the spirits had made a move on it. So spirits, can you tell me your name? Can you tell me who's with me? So it's fairly successful at Riverside. I'm not getting anything over, and let's go back this direction. I know that I've gotten some good stuff come through here in the past. Through this area over here. Let's try to go over here where some of the soldiers are here. I've gotten success in getting spirits to come through in this area. Can I get your name, please? Well, kind of moving some. Mine? Yeah, I want your name. I guess that's what they're saying. Yeah, I want your name, please. Whoever said mine. It is active over here. I'm glad this thing's making the noise like this, where I can hear it a little bit better. See, there's no names on these headstones here, down in this area. Man, it's going crazy. If you ever seen it go all the way up to red, that's when you know it. And you might get several words at one time too. Get your name. I said mine. Stay away? All I wanted was your name, spirits. Anxious? You're anxious? Stay away. I'm anxious, I guess, is what you're trying to tell me. Are you a soldier? Do you need my help? Crawl. Okay. We need to stay away from danger, I guess. Okay, I'm crawling. I'm crawling now. Not really, but kinda. I mean, I'm down further. Okay, losing any. Okay, so. Okay, I'm crawling. Is this a bad danger zone area right here? This. Okay, I'm actually going to kneel down, and maybe that'll make them think I'm actually crawling. I don't know. I don't really want to crawl on the ground here. Who's the enemy? Who are we fighting? I'm not really sure who we're fighting. Can you tell me? I'm staying down. I'm trying to stay safe. I'm just wondering who we're fighting. So I'm not really sure. I gotta get back up, but maybe we'll get something. This was the area we've been getting. See, it's a little stronger through here. Maybe they'll let us know who we're fighting. Okay, so I had to pause for it. We got basic. And I'm not sure what. Whoa. Still know. They didn't tell me who we're fighting though. But I really believe that these ambient sounds have really helped make contact with spirits. And it's like I moved away some and I've come back this one little area where I'm at where the soldiers are buried right here, and it's starting to get busy again. Could you tell me please who we're fighting? I don't know who we're fighting. I'm very confused. Tight? It's a tight area? What do you mean it's like a tight area here? Okay guys, so it's been a bit, and the reason why is there's been 2 ambulances that have just come. The hospital, our main hospital is right over here. 2 ambulances that just came by with their sirens blazing, and 2 of our medical response helicopters have both gone over top of me. Now I don't know if they're going out for routine training or not. It could be, although I'm not really sure. It's just kind of interesting that we've had 2 ambulances come in, and both of our medical response helicopters went out in the same direction. Hopefully everyone will be okay. I hope. I pray. Okay. And I think I hear the other helicopter right now. We have 2. They may have been on routine, just routes. Sometimes they do training, sometimes they do, maintenance and make sure the helicopters are doing right or flying right or no issues, but I hear it coming back. So hopefully that's a good thing. And I think I'm going to pause again for just a minute and wait, because it's going to get really loud. Ghost Fox, Ghost Tube, Spirits, can you tell me your name? Speak it in this device.
Good one.
It's a dead one, I think. Who's telling me to crawl? What? Can you tell me who told me to crawl? What's your name, please? It's him, I think. Comment, let me know what y'all are hearing. Can you tell me what side of the war I'm on? Not really sure what that was. Not really getting a lot. May go back to the ghost tool app, but we're getting pretty decent stuff out of that. I was hoping to hear some things. I don't know what that was. That was fast and quick. I have no idea. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the ghost tool app, the blue hand app, see if we get any more words. It was interesting to get crawl. Man, it would sound like something a soldier would tell you. Get down, crawl. You know, stay away. Maybe this is a dangerous area. Things like that's what we've gotten. So hopefully we can get their name. I'm hoping. But I'm actually going to walk back this direction. Well, maybe. Let's see. Maybe I'll hang here for another minute. This area, I was going to go back to the other side of the cemetery over there, but maybe. Can you tell me your name, please? I'd like to know who I'm speaking with. You helped me out, but I crawled and I'm safe. Isolation. Okay, you want me to just kind of stay in an area? This area right here? Am I safe here? Let me see if I can get the K2 to work here. If they can light it up for us, we'll see. I'll sit it right here. Be a good shaded spot. Can you light that box up if I'm safe? Can you make it light up so I'll know I'm safe here? Isolation. Okay, so far nothing else. I've not noticed if that's went off. I've been looking back and forth at the phone. Hopefully they can let us know. Soldier, if you touch that box, it'll let me know you're here and that I'm safe. Maybe I'm not safe. Again, I could have missed it go off, but maybe get another word. Guilt? You feel guilty or something? Don't feel guilty. I'm safe. I'm fine. You helped me out. I don't know if that's what they mean or not. Maybe they feel guilty, maybe they think I got hurt. Or maybe they feel guilty because this ain't a safe spot. You need me to leave? You need me to leave this spot? Got guilt. Okay, I don't know if they understand what that K2 is exactly. Well, that was me that made it light up that time. Some spirits don't know what that K2 is. They're not really sure what it is exactly, so they don't touch it. They may be afraid it might hurt them or something, I guess. But so I got the word guilt, and it makes me think that maybe cut it here. I'll let you know if the fidget spinner moved. That's a pretty decent investigation over there with the soldiers and stuff. Told me to crawl, stay away, isolate, things like that. Things you would probably hear during the war anyway. So never got a name though. But I got one more investigation I want to do in here. It's totally separate from soldiers and stuff. And until next time, God bless. See you soon.